He means the sunflower.
No, just one.
The flowers that are on the ground. Like, they seed and then, like, grow.
I'm talking about